You just had the new partner. Don't you want them to sound like this?
Think back to our deeply satisfying experience last weekend, Noel. I think that what really stands out is that your communication and confidence made me feel really confident myself in having the best time possible with you. And we had a fantastic time. Yeah, it was great to be able to play for so many hours and to try so many different positions. The way you licked my body was just mind-blowing. And something that really stands out is you make some sexy noises as well. Never heard anything like that before.
You got to get the Conscious Relationships Mastery course. I will share with you everything that I know. Message me, say I'm ready. I'm excited to connect with you soon.